Updating your legal name on Zoom is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow this guide to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Zoom website and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that you wish to update. Step 2. Access profile settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Edit your name. In the profile section, look for the option to edit your name. Click on the edit button next to your current name to make changes. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Type in your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that the spelling is correct and matches your legal documents. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your name has been updated. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Zoom. Make sure to check that the changes reflect correctly in your account settings.